YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another video, another unboxing. Got some packages in the mail today. May has been a busy month. I don't know if you guys been checking in on these shoe releases and all the hype stuff. It's been tough out there. Let me tell you, I've lost a lot of releases. I've gained a lot of releases. Let's see what this one is today. As always, if you guys enjoy the content, comment, like, subscribe. Okay, we're back. As you see, I have unwrapped the goods. I don't know if a lot of you know what this box is or what it shares a resemblance with, but I'll let you know. Lost and Found back in the day. A couple years ago when it released, it was actually the opposite. The top was orange and the base box was black. Little secret, if you basically have both shoes, you could actually swap boxes out or lids, whatever, and they actually go together. It's pretty neat. Anyways, let's get into this review. As you see, Nike, one box. Beautiful. I think this shoe was slept on hard, but you know me, I don't care about all that stuff. I buy what I like what I buy. Okay, as you see, it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Dark powder blue. Alright, let's open this bad boy. And we have, okay, little date code on there. I'll let you check that out. Don't see anything else. I do have a lid size is 305 by 220 by 115. Okay. Brown paper this time. Oh. Okay. Oh wow. First glance. Presentation. Wow. Alright. Brown paper. Not a fan of that. I guess they're trying to keep that old school look. Sometimes it just doesn't require you to do that. YCM sticker. I really do wish they had better packaging. Inside tray box reads 305 by 220 by 115. Got some different logos on this. Pretty sick. Alright, first things first. I noticed that this is a cell colorway, but it's not on the box as that colorway. Crazy. You would think it would be on there. We do have some crackle leather material. I believe that was also on the Lost and Founds, as you see. Okay, Air Jordan logo. Crackle leather all through. Also on the toe box, crackle leather. Love the two laces. You got that white lace look. Tongue also is cell colorway. Oh, this is, I like this. I like that tan look. People slept on this. That's just crazy. Take a look at the stitching. Premium look. Sleeping on this shoe. I don't know, I like it. Look at the back. Look at the other side. Crackle effect all through. Looks like here up top and inside here is a little different material. I mean, it looks like it's leather or nubuck or something, but it does have that textured look, just like the crackled leather, just so you know. Great shot of the two materials. Stitching is immaculate. Toe box. Alright, take a look at the bottom. The bottom is wild. So the bottom is, as you see, it's got that white powdery look. I don't know if it's made to look like it's worn out. I'm sure of it. There you have it. Just in case. Don't think it's a defect. Take a look at the inside. Alright. And I want to say too, typically I don't talk about this, but if you're a shoe connoisseur like I am, you typically know what the shoe is supposed to smell like, especially when you're legit checking. You know what the shoe is supposed to smell like, and these do have that smell. You know when you know. Just wanted to put that out there. Shoe tree, ridiculous paper. Oh my god. Okay, there you have it. Nike size is on top. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Let's take a look at the shoe. The insole, should I say? Came right up. Not too sure if it's Dream Cell or it's something different, but as you see, black. Right. Take a look at the inside stitching. Looks like the footbed is going to be that graphite footbed that everybody loves. Look at the stitching inside. Side sticker. Alright, get back in there. Let's get ready to wrap this bad boy up. Nothing special about the shoe, I mean. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe, comment, like. I'll see you guys on the next one.